that is a nice little haul of cucumbers. Nice. Okay guys, here's my cucumber trellis, and this has been producing all summer long. We've gotten a lot of cucumbers off of this trellis right here, and but you can see the problem. Yellowing of the leaves. And that usually is a watering issue. Either too much rain, too much water, not enough. You know, it happens every year. It's hard to keep this right. And check it out, we've got some cucumbers, nice cucumbers in here yet that I've got to get to. Really nice cucumbers hanging on the vine here. But I think what I'm going to do is prune this up. I'm going to prune it up hard, and I'm going to feed it and see if we can't get some more cucumbers, maybe some growth. Most of this down here, from here down, I think I'm going to take off, and we'll let that top, see if we can get some more cucumbers up there. All right, let's get started. Well, okay, here's what it looks like after the heavy pruning. I don't know how many leaves I took off, but it's quite a few. Now I got to go through and harvest these cucumbers that I found. Oh, there's quite a few. Quite a few hiding all throughout. Nice. Okay, here's what I got off the trellis. I didn't think there were half this many under all those leaves, but I'll be a good gosh darn. Look at these. Beautiful. Loving it, loving it. Oh, and we've got some little guys in here. Little itty bitties. But that is a nice little haul of cucumbers. Nice. All right, now I'm going to feed the cucumbers. I'm going to add a little bone meal, a little Epsom salt, sprinkle that on the top, work it in a little bit. Then I'm going to mix up some of this fish fertilizer in a gallon of water, pour that in there, and see what we get. All right, here's the fish fertilizer. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons into this gallon of water, and then we'll give those cucumbers a nice drink. Okay, well, I've got the Epsom salts and the bone meal sprinkled down around the cucumbers, and now we're just going to go and water in. I'm going to water it in with the fish emulsion. It's going to water it in real good, all the way down. Okay, and there we have it. Everything's pruned up. Cucumbers got some nice food to hopefully kickstart them again, and we'll see if we can get some more cucumbers out of these plants. I'll come back and give you guys an update